How to animate blood pool, splash, spatter, and drip in Alight Motion. Blood pooling. I'll bring an image of a pool of blood and scale it down to a size I want. Then go to Effects. From the Drawing an Edge category, add the Smooth Edges effect. If you increase the strength of the Smooth Edges effect, the pool of blood will curve into a circle. To avoid this, enable Mask to Layer. And now, add a keyframe to start the animation with an increased strength, and add another keyframe to end the animation with the strength property value set to 0. This will create a blood spreading effect. Tap and hold on the ending keyframe, then drag it left to increase the duration of the animation. Blood spreading is not too fast, just depends on the wound and how much blood is pouring out. Now you can just place your front-facing character here and announce the character's death. Blood spatter. As you can see, the blood image has a background. We must remove the background first. We can do so using the chroma key effect from the matte mask key category. Once we have the background removed, if you don't like the color of the blood, you can change it up using the solid color effect. Why is blood spatter different? Because it's blood caused by a force coming from a direction like ch. From Move and Transform, add location keyframes to animate the blood spattering onto the wall. You can also add an animation easing to make it fit the impact force. If it feels too slow, just increase the speed of the layer. Blood splash. I've copied the effect from our previous animation and I'll paste them here onto this image. It looks odd without any extra movement. A blood splash is basically a spill or a gush of blood. It just falls, like pouring out. It is more in volume, so our work is more with the scale property compared to other properties. You can play with the animation properties to create something true to your crime scene. Here, when it is increasing in size, it feels like the blood is being splashed onto the other side of a glass wall. Blood drip. The blood drip one I think will come to use the most. It's my favorite. Add a freehand drawing layer. Set a dark red color and draw a line straight down. Imperfect, good. Now add the drawing progress effect from the Drawing an Edge category. Use the Draw Gradually preset for our drip to be automatically animated. You can drag the end keyframe of the end property to increase the duration of the animation. Next, add the Stroke Taper effect from the Drawing an Edge category. Adjust the start, end, and squeeze properties to your liking. They all just make our line thinner. This looks nice enough, but what if you want to add a shine to it? Blood is shiny. Duplicate the drawing layer. Add the stroke color effect from the Drawing an Edge category onto the duplicated layer, which will be our shine layer. Set the color to white and increase the squeeze property for this duplicated layer. Decrease the percentages of the start property to 0, but keep the end increased as our droplet is at the end. I'll position and scale the shine to my liking, and there we have it. Want to make your character cry? Check out this tutorial for that.